Okay, Mommy. Let's go.
Nova! Oh, you videotaping it?
Yeah, go. Wow. Hey, Molly, is it cold? Yeah? It's a Blizzard 09. What's that? You want to go inside?
It's not as easy.
It's cold out here.
It used to be
Here
nice.
we go. Look at Mommy.
Hi, Mom.
Go.
You want to do it? Can you do it? Look at your little cheeks. Your cheeks are all red.
Molly, what are you drinking? What are you drinking, Mommy?
Hot chocolate.
Oh, Dylan, what are you drinking?
Chocolate too.
Oh,
Chocolate too.
hot chocolate.
Pick it up.
I'll do a daddy has, Mommy.
The camera. Where are your red cheeks? From where did we just come from?
Ow.
Did we go sledding?
Sweating. I was cold. There's Mommy. I'm inside. I said.
Is it cold and windy and snowy? Are you trying to find out what I'm wrapping for you?